Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop gift easy method. Start by selecting lollipops with varied colors and flavors, then sort them by size. Prepare cello bags and twist ties, and cut ribbons into equal lengths. Place each lollipop into a bag leaving stick exposed, secure with a twist tie, then finish with a ribbon bow and attach a decorative tag for a clean, festive look that's perfect for gifts. Begin by grouping lollipops by color or flavor to create attractive sets. Place each lollipop into a cello bag so sticks align for consistency and easy display. Twist the tie tightly just above the candy to prevent slipping, then wrap ribbon around the tie and form a neat bow. Add a small tag with a name or message and trim any excess ribbon for a tidy, professional finish. Quick recommendation: if you want a pleasant car scent after running supplies, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a funny but useful companion for craft runs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy gift tutorials. I've put the product name and extra deals in the description so you can find them quickly. Now let's get back to the video. Try assembling a lollipop bouquet using floral foam inside a decorated cup for a charming display. Alternatively, layer assorted lollipops in a clear jar to create a colorful centerpiece that doubles as a treat. For themed parties, tuck small favors like stickers or tiny toys alongside lollipops to enhance the gift. These simple touches elevate presentation and make each gift feel thoughtful and celebratory without adding much cost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.